Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So sometime back I had shared rice water and snail mucin face scrub based on Korean skincare, which is a lot in these days. So today I'm going to be on the same lines sharing a mask, which is going to be a rice water mask. You can also add a little bit of collagen to this, ceramide to this to enhance the mask. But today we are going to be making a simple rice water mask. So for this here I have taken my rice water, I have some glycerin, and I have added a little bit of xanthan gum clear just to give a nice spreadability to the mask. And here I have my oil phase, in which I have my emulsifiers, I have my thickeners, I have my butters, and I have taken a little bit of oil to this, and we'll quickly go ahead and heat both the phases and make the mask. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both my phases, and here I will go ahead and add my water phase into my oil phase. And we'll go ahead and blend both the phases together. Okay, so we've mixed the oil and water phase, and now we have a very nice mixture here, a very smooth mixture. And we are going to go ahead and now add our powdered ingredients to this. Since this is a mask, we need a blend of clays here. So here I have gone ahead and taken some rose clay and some kaolin clay. You can change the clays as per your choice to whichever other clays you wish to, and we will mix all this together. Okay, so now I have nicely gone ahead and mixed all the clays in here with the solution that we had, the nice creamy solution. And this is the lovely texture that we have of our rice water mask that we have made today. And on application, this is very smooth. It has an absolutely smooth texture on the skin. If you can see the shine that this has, and this is very effective to give you a lovely shine on your own skin. It tightens your skin, it brightens your skin. You get a lot of amazing skincare benefits with this. So we'll quickly also go ahead and add our preservative and our fragrance to this, and I'll just give it one final mix, and then we can go ahead and put it in our container. So I have put this in my container here, and this is the final look of my rice water mask, which is on the lines of Korean skincare. And this is a beautiful consistency that this mask has. Alright, so friends, if you like what I share with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much.